Welcome Kasturians. In this video we will discuss chapter 4 of geography, that is climate. So what is climate? See, climate is most affected by the weather conditions. So weather refers to the state of atmosphere in an area over a point of time. But when it comes to climate, it is a more wider term. The climate refers to the sum total of weather conditions and variations that prevail in over a large area for a long period of time, that is for a period of around 25 to 30 years. So the average weather conditions of a large area taken over a long period of time is known as climate. When we see on the basis of monthly atmospheric conditions, the entire year gets divided into seasons like summer, winters, rainy season, spring season. Globally speaking, when we see the globe, the world gets divided into a number of climatic regions because of their location, that is their latitude as well as altitude. So what are the factors that affect the climatic conditions of a place? They include the latitude, the altitude, the pressure and winds. And when we talk about India, the Indian climatic conditions are described as monsoon type. Now this word monsoon is the Arabic word. It is derived from an Arabic word which means mausim, and the literary meaning of mausim is season. So monsoon refers to the seasonal reversal in the wind direction during a year. In Asia, when we talk about continents, in Asia, it is basically the monsoon type climate which is found in south and the southernmost part. In summers, generally, the temperature reaches up to 50 degrees Celsius, like in Rajasthan, whereas it may be around 20 degrees Celsius in some parts, like parts which are there in Jammu and Kashmir, like Pahalgam. In winters, the temperature in Jammu and Kashmir that may be as low as minus some 40 or 45 degrees Celsius, whereas we have Thiruvananthapuram, which may be having a temperature of around 20 to 22 degrees Celsius on an average during winters. So this variation India is having, and now we will discuss the factors that affect the climate, that control the climate. So the factors that affect India's climate include the latitude, the altitude, the pressure and winds. Latitude, that is when we see the globe, the Tropic of Cancer, it is passing through the middle of the country. Half of the country is lying on the south of the Tropic of Cancer, and this is belonging to the tropical area, that is this area is called the tropical area. Then we have altitude. When we see the height, it is actually the Himalayas, the young fold mountains that prevent the cold winds coming from Central Asia from entering into the Indian subcontinent. That's why we have mild winters in India as compared to other parts of Central Asia. The pressure and winds. The atmospheric conditions that govern climate and associated weather conditions are the pressure and surface winds, the upper air circulation, and western cyclonic disturbances and tropical cyclones. See, upper air circulation is basically dominated by westerly flowing winds. Westerly winds, when they flow, they create the upper levels of atmosphere to get circulated, and an important component of this flow is the jet stream. They are actually a narrow belt of high altitude westerly winds which are found in the troposphere, and that too at the boundary of troposphere, that is the end of troposphere where it meets with the stratosphere. The western cyclonic disturbance and tropical cyclones, they also affect the climatic conditions, especially they create a low pressure area over the Bay of Bengal that is basically held responsible for bringing about the rains and especially the monsoon rains.